Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on Friday, the 15th of March, and it was an up day for agricultural markets. It seems that we change direction every day depending on the latest talk that comes out of Washington with regard to the trade agreement. And so I guess that means we had some positive news overnight and this morning. The talk is they are moving forward, very optimistic, think we'll have a trade agreement, and it could be in the next few weeks, next month, somewhere in that time frame. Of course, things there can change, but it seemed to calm people down yesterday following the statement that they'd pushed back into April, the date when they anticipated having an agreement put together. So that's where we are. And over the weekend, anything can come out. Very positive, very negative. We'll just react to it Monday. All right, let's look at May cotton up 120 at 75.50. The high was 75.83. The low was 74.28. May soybeans were up 11 at 909 and a half. A high of 911. A low of 898 and a quarter. May corn was up 3. It's 373 and a quarter with a high of 373 and 3/4 and a low of 369. Now these highs were made on the close. All the grains were pushing up against the highs as we were closing out the day. May wheat up 9 and a half at 462 and a half with a high of 463 and a low of 448 and a half. Outside markets were not much going on. Crude oil down 9 cents a barrel. Dollar down 19. Gold up $7 an ounce. Silver's up 14 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now is up 153. So a positive close for the week after we saw a very volatile up and down week. Looking into next week, the more positive news we get about trade, the more likely you're going to see a very large short speculative position. That's the big funds that are short the market at very high levels. As they start covering those shorts, this market could certainly lift off and move to much higher levels, even in advance of an actual trade announcement. So keep your eye on that. Of course, all of us are looking out into new crop prices, whether it's cotton or soybeans or corn, and hoping that we can get high enough to be able to do some pricing. But for now, we are still down at relatively low levels. So have a good weekend. We'll see you first thing Monday morning.